guys, Big Unboxer Bonanza here, and today we're going to take another look at some more unboxing bonanzas. So I ordered a Pokemon trading cards off of Amazon, and we're gonna check them out and see what we got. Okay. I can already see. I think that's Pikachu. From what I can tell, the wrapping it's a new look. It's clear instead of the usual. I think I like that. Okay. Now we're gonna take a look at these Pokemon cards, and go through them and see what we got. Okay, we got a Psychic Energy, another Psychic Energy, a Wobbuffet, Voltorb, an Ekans, a Timber, Hercules Carlutabion, another Psychic Energy, Sabrina, another Psychic Energy, Rod Stageland, Link, and finally Pikachu. Now I think the best thing about these cards is the art style and just how they do it. Now you see how it's off-centered, which kind of just I think they're trying to say something with that, and it's very artistic, and I like it. Now I think one of my favorite parts about Nintendo is the crossovers. Now you see, Link can be a Pokemon because Nintendo is allowing Link to be what he wants to be. Now with this one, I don't really know. He's a big Pokemon, but I don't know. Now I mainly grew up with the original games, so I'm not too familiar with this one. I think this is another crossover with MLB games. But yeah, I mean, he looks like a cool guy. Now this is one of my favorite cards because her attack, it gives a description of the TV show, and I remember watching that when I was a kid, and that was a good show. This one has scribbles on the back. I guess for artistic value. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time when I unbox another thing. Yeah. Make sure to follow me on my second channel and my Twitter account. Thank you.